guys, so I'm here to share with you a dish that is light on the stomach and also healthy. So we have some tomato or salad, we have some cucumber, and we also have sardines. So let me show you how I prepare this to make it delicious. The first thing I'm going to do is slice up the tomato. So you can do it how thick or thin you like. So I want a couple of slices. So I'm gonna go with like 4 slices. Alright, so we have our tomato, cucumber. So we're just gonna cut some of the green off. You don't have to, you can take it all off if that's your choice. But yeah. So it's gonna look like this. Alright, so first thing we're gonna do is slice off the bottom, and then we're gonna cut some of the green off. You can take it all off if that's your preference. You can leave it on if that's a preference of yours. I'm taking off some of it, and then we're gonna end up with this. So we're just gonna take a knife and just cut them, slice them down. Like that. So now we want to transfer them to a plate. Alright, and we're gonna separate them because we're gonna add like our salt and pepper into them. Kind of spread them out a little so that all of them can get a touch of good. Hold on, I'm gonna slice this one kind of too thick. Then I'm gonna drizzle with some salt. Alright, so we're gonna use can of sardine. You can use a sardine at your choice. I'm gonna use this one. So I'm not gonna take the bone out. If you don't like the bones, that is okay. And I'm gonna use some of the oil from the sardines. So use some salt. Also need some black pepper, guys, and this can be optional. And then I'm also going to add some red pepper flakes. So here we have it. A delicious meal fit for a queen. So you can just eat this by itself, or you can add some crackers of your choice. I'm going with water crackers. So we want sardines, are you fucking kidding me? So we want tomato, cucumber, and a piece of sardines. This would be one of the nicest healthy food you have ever eaten. It is good. You can also eat it by itself. If you have lettuce, nice. If you have some avocado, pear, nice. It's just something for you guys to try. And if you try it, let me know. Good. Interesting. Tomato, cucumber, sardine.